Most people in the US will never get the car of their dreams, and it has to do with one thing and one thing only: credit. Credit, more specifically bad credit, has been keeping you from turning that Toyota into a Tesla, that Ford into a Ferrari, that Mazda into a Maserati. Until now. Because in this video, I'm gonna give you the step-by-step blueprint on how you can repair your credit to get one step closer to your dream car. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is get your hands on your credit report. Now, we need this so we can know exactly what needs to be challenged during the credit restoration process. Now, when it comes to credit monitoring, most people use programs like Credit Karma and Experian for their credit monitoring, but if you want the most accurate breakdown of what's on your credit report, you need to sign up with either Identity IQ or MyFreeScore Now. I'll leave a link to both programs in the description below so that you can choose which one is right for you. Once you get your credit report, the first section that you'll see at the top of the credit report is called the personal information section. This section contains names, previous addresses that you've lived at, and previous employers that you've worked for. Now, this section is very important to the restoration process because before we can start attacking negative items on your report, we want to clean up all excess personal information on there that is not current. The personal information section on your credit report should only have one name, one address, and one employer on there. Anything additional may be connected to negative items that you'll be looking to challenge. If we get those removed before we start challenging these items, it'll improve our chances of being able to get them removed. The reason for this is that the credit reporting agencies, which are Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, use any information they can get to verify disputes. So we want to disarm them by removing as much ammo from their tool belt as possible, and this is one of the best ways for us to do so. One easy way to remove excess personal information on your credit report is to call the credit reporting agencies and have it updated over the phone, or you can send them a personal information update request letter instead. I'll leave a link to one that I personally use within my company in the description below, but you won't be able to access it because it'll be a view-only file in Google Docs. But all you have to do when you get to the doc is go into the upper left-hand corner of the document, click the tab that says File, then click Make a Copy, and you'll have your own personal update information letter that you can use. You're welcome. By the way, guys, if you're new here and you're enjoying the content so far, it would mean the world to me if you just took 2 seconds out your day right now to subscribe to the channel for more content like this that's on the way. Also, this video is sponsored by my credit restoration company, Takeoff Financial. So if you're looking to get your credit restored, book a free consultation with us today at takeofffinancial.com. The link for the website is also going to be in the description below. But back to the video. Now, once you've accessed your credit report, it's now time to remove any negative items that are keeping you from your dream car. Remember, it's like the great Elon Musk once said, no 750 credit score, no LaFerrari. Now, the easiest way to get negative items removed is to find inaccuracies within the negative accounts that are showing on your credit report. Some common inaccuracies to look for in these negative accounts are closed accounts that are showing as open, different account numbers for the same account, accounts being incorrectly reported as late or delinquent, account numbers that are not being reported in full, payment history that's showing as late on one credit reporting agency but showing as something totally different on another, and the list goes on and on. But ultimately, once you identify what inaccuracies exist within that negative account, you can use this law in your dispute letter to the credit reporting agency. This law basically states that when your consumer report is being prepared, the credit reporting agencies have a set of procedures that they are required to follow by law to ensure that everything on your report is accurate. If you use this law in a letter where you're highlighting these inaccuracies that exist in your report, this will give you the best chance to get these negative items deleted and get you one step closer to your dream car. Now, once you finish deleting the negative items from your report, you'll need to add some positive accounts to your report before you can walk into the dealership. These positive accounts will help to strengthen your profile and boost your score to give you the best chance of getting the car. A couple of different credit building accounts that I would recommend for starters is Self-Lender. Now, Self-Lender is great because it's essentially a certificate of deposit that shows on your credit report as an installment loan. So essentially, you're paying yourself to save money and build your credit all at the same time with this program. Another credit building account account that you can use is a program that's called Rent Reporters. Now, Rent Reporters actually allows you to self-report your rental payments on your credit report and backdate those payments up to 2 years towards your payment history with TransUnion. Once you've removed the negative items from your credit report and restored your profile with these positive accounts, congratulations, you're ready for your dream car. That's all for this video, but subscribe for more content like this coming in the near future. I'm Marvin Francois. Peace.